Hi guys, Chris McMullan here, currently in Vancouver, British Columbia, and I play the Ullin pipes and the low whistles. Today I just want to talk a bit about my setup and the equipment to use, so let's check it out. So the first little bit I want to talk about is just the set of pipes that I play, and I have a set of Killing the Brain pipes. And a common question I get asked a lot is how are they set up? And I've got them set up sort of medium to hard blowing. And the thing about that is I just find that if they're too soft, I can't push the instrument as far as I want. And if they're too hard, well, you know, it just becomes almost a struggle for me to play. But it's just everyone's preference. I have mine set up medium to hard, so I just think it offers the best of both worlds when I play them. So. And I also use a flat chanter, a C chanter, and it's a stick I got from Sam Lawrence. It's made for Paul Santo, and I basically just use it for songs. So I do when I'm on tour, and it's a lovely little stick. I may someday upgrade to a half set or a full set by Sam, but yeah, no, I love this little stick. The next little thing I want to talk about is the low whistles. I've got quite a few of them from Colin Goldie, and again the same setup with these. I've got the medium hard blowing, and it's just my preference. Everyone's different, but that's what I like. I think I've got like a D and an F, and the F is just usually a really good one to have as well if you want to play along with people in C, F, B flat. But yeah, it's a great little job. The Goldie whistles, so that's what I use. And one of the other things I want to talk about is just a small sort of penny whistles. I use a synth whistles for those because it sort of offers a sort of traditional sound, and yeah, that's just my preference for people that want to know about that. So great little whistles as well. When it came to traveling with the pipes, I opted to use a BAM high-tech case. And it's a violin case, so just ripped the lining of it out, and it was just brilliant for traveling. Just putting in overhead compartments. Almost every airline was great with, bar Ryanair, which, yeah, you know about them. But yeah, it's made of carbon fibre, it's lightweight, 2 straps, it's just fantastic for traveling with the pipes. A little bit on the costly side. I got it back in 2008, my father bought it to me, and it was £450, but well worth the money. I have it now almost 10 years, coming into 2018.
So when I'm playing live, I get asked a lot about the mic setup that I would use or the preferences that I would have. I generally don't mind actually using the SM58, a good all-rounder microphone. Just having 2 in front of the chanter and just Bob's your uncle, away you go. A wee upgrade from that there would be the Shure Beta WB98HC. It's a clip microphone, and it's great. You just get your chanter and you just like clip it onto the end here, and it's just fantastic. So it is a lovely microphone. And then the last one would be a fairly expensive one. It's the DPA 4099. The sound quality of that microphone is just phenomenal. If you have 3 of them, it would be brilliant. You could have one on the chanter, one on the regulators, and one on the drones, and you've got a really rich, full sound. So that would be my microphone preferences when performing live.
So that's pretty much it for now. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I'd really appreciate it. And I'm also on Facebook. You can give a little thumbs up, Chris McMullan Piper. You can find me there. And then just one last thing, a second album will be out in spring 2018, so keep an eye out for that and keep piping.